Two of the most popular CRM platforms go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Pipedrive, built to streamline your sales pipeline. And on the right, Insightly, the all-in-one CRM designed for total business management. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's what we're diving into. Pricing. Like, where's your money going? Sales pipeline management, obviously. Project management, because some of you have a million things happening at once. Automation, because who wants more manual work? And, integrations, because connecting stuff is always a headache, right? So, first things first, pricing. Right. Pipedrive gives you competitive plans, super scalable, which is nice if you're starting small and hoping to grow. It's not the cheapest option out there, though, so you might be side-eyeing your budget a little. Then, jumping to Insightly, it's kind of in the same boat. The pricing is similar, competitive, and you do get some high-end features. But yeah, you pay more when you want those extra goodies. Honestly, this one's a tie. No huge surprises here. Let's dig into sales pipeline management. This is where things start to get juicy. So with Pipedrive, oh man, the visual pipeline view is just, it's so easy to drag your deals around, customize those stages, and get a clear look at what's going on. The only hiccup is, if you're running super complex workflows, you may find it a little too streamlined. Now, for Insightly, it's also pretty solid. Robust pipeline tools, and you can tweak workflows quite a bit. But honestly, it's not as intuitive if you're laser focused on direct sales. So yeah, Pipedrive takes this round. Now, project management. This is kind of Insightly's party trick. With Pipedrive, well, you basically got to integrate with something else if you want true project management. There's no built-in stuff, which is like, really? It feels a bit behind, not gonna lie. But flip over to Insightly, they've got project management baked right in. It's all native and pretty seamless with the CRM side. The only catch? You might need a few tweaks to get it running perfectly. Still, Insightly wins hands down here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know a proper CRM choice can actually boost your sales efficiency by up to 30%? Yeah, really. Imagine where you'd be by next quarter. Next up, automation. So here's where both play strong, but with quirks. Pipedrive does a really good job automating stuff for your sales workflows. You get customizable triggers, and that's pretty sweet, unless you're on the basic plan, in which case, honestly, some limits might annoy you. Insightly brings advanced workflow automation, tons of customizable rules, but setup can get kind of wild if you go too deep. Call it even. Both get a gold star for effort, but neither's perfect. And integrations, arguably one of the most important things no one wants to think about until it's a mess. So, Pipedrive, over 500 integrations, all the usual suspects, SaaS tools you probably already use. Sometimes, though, you'll need to wrangle an API setup, not always plug and play. Insightly, though, charges in with over 2,000 options. Plus, they've got this App Connect tool, which, honestly, makes things so much easier. The downside? Sometimes those integrations cost you extra. Still, if you want to plug in pretty much everything, Insightly is the winner. Okay, let's recap. Looking at the radar chart, you'll spot that Pipedrive shines brightest in sales pipeline management, but Insightly just crushes it on project management and integrations. Kind of gives you the perfect visual to match with your needs. So, final thoughts? If what keeps you up at night is closing deals and driving your sales team, Pipedrive is honestly built for you. But if you're juggling sales, projects, probably marketing too, Insightly's the all-in-one powerhouse that just makes sense. Think about what matters most for your business before taking the plunge. Need to get organized, smash some targets, or manage chaos? Compare the options, pick the winner for your needs, and don't throw money at the wrong tool. Seriously.